Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Jason Andrés Barrios Devia. Voy a realizar la actividad número 4 y mi grupo es el del 92. La actividad es la siguiente. I am Jason Andrés Barrios Devia. I am 26 years old. I am I am from Bogota. Bogota is uh, is an city, Colombia. I am an operator in the company Meisoad. I am studying industrial engineering. I speak Spanish. And I like to play soccer. And I don't like to wash the dishes. And uh, these are my activities uh, on the typical days. I will at 3 a day I shower and get ready, then breakfast and living on the bicycle at 4 p.m. I start working at 5 p.m. I leaving at 5 p.m. for work and return homes. I drive homes and 6 p.m. I do university jobs from 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. and then I go to bed.